In this question, we need to make A the subject of the formula. So let's identify this formula. For those who know it, we can tell that this is the formula for the sum of a geometric series. For those who don't know it, it's still okay. Your mathematics will help you. To make A the subject of the formula, they just mean we need to isolate that guy. Alright. So A is the numerator, and it's being multiplied by r to the power n and then minus 1. And the whole numerator is divided by r minus 1. So r minus 1 must be multiplied. So we have Sn here. We're going to multiply it by r minus 1. Why? Because r minus 1 is a divisor. It's dividing here on the right. So it must multiply on the left. Then we are left with a r to the power n minus 1. Okay. Now we need to divide both sides by r to the power n minus 1. R to the power n minus 1. R to the power n minus 1. Alright. And then let's see what we get, ladies and gents, after this. Let's see what we get. We get Sn is equals to r minus 1 over r to the power n minus 1. This side, these two guys are going to cancel. And then we have a here. So a is being isolated now. A is being isolated, and this marks the end of this video. If you found this question or this video easily broken down, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share with classmates, family, and friends. Thank you.